Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And guess what it is? It's Crocktober. Last year we brought you a different Crockpot recipe every Monday in October, and we're doing the same this October. And today we're making unstuffed cabbage in the Crockpot. My very first recipe that I started Minden's with was unstuffed cabbage on the skillet. I got the most reviews on that, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get up-to-date announcements as to when a new video comes out. We're unedited, unscripted. This is live, so we could shoot together. You could also catch me on Good Day Columbus every 3 weeks with a new recipe for you. So what I did was I started the ground beef in the crock pot. You don't, or excuse me, on the stovetop. You don't have to have it completely done here because once you put it in the crock pot, it's gonna finish up. This is almost completely done. And let's throw it in our crock pot and get started. This is still hot, so I'm gonna put on these great gloves. Nothing goes through this. And I'm just going to put all the meat in the crock pot. There we go. Hold on a second, just one little piece here. I use really lean ground beef, and I love using a cast iron skillet. You don't even have to drain the ground beef. Next ingredients are a whole thing of sauerkraut. This is kind of a take on my father's recipe when he made regular stuffed cabbage. He would stuff it with the meat and then the rice, and then he would put sauerkraut on top and ketchup on top. So I'm kind of mixing my first recipe and his together. And this is shredded cabbage, and that's what gives us the unstuffed cabbage because we're not using cabbage rolls. Whole thing in here. You can then cook this on high for about 3 hours, and or you could cook it on low for 6 hours. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of water, about a 1/4 cup of water. You can always add more water if you see the cabbage is not watering down and making this a nice consistency for you. You can't take away. So we start with a 1/4 cup and then you see how it's going. And then just some ketchup. Yep, straight ketchup. That's our sauce. This container was not completely full. I would say it was about half full, so we're gonna use the whole thing. And that's it. Give it a stir. The house is gonna smell great. Like I said, you can always add more water at the end. Stay tuned to our Instagram, which is also Minden's, where you'll see a finished picture of this product. Catch us each Monday, and this month it's Crocktober. Happy fall, y'all.